All right, my friends, this week we are looking at Mondrian. So we are going to learn how to draw with a ruler. We're going to use our ruler as a straight edge, not for measuring today. So when we're using our ruler, we want to make sure that our pointer finger points away from our body and our thumb points towards our body, and we are going to push down on the ruler with both fingers. If we use our ruler and we're only holding it with one finger and we try to draw a straight line, and to do that we just take our pencil right down the side of the ruler, look what happens. Our ruler wiggles. So by spreading our fingers apart and pushing down, and you can use more than one finger. If you want to use two fingers and your thumb, that's fine. By spreading them apart, we get a nice straight line. Our ruler doesn't move. So we can go ahead and draw some lines. Now, when we want to draw lines going the opposite direction, so we have our vertical lines, and when we want to draw our horizontal lines, we can either use our ruler pointing across and try to go over our hand, or we can do something that's a lot more comfortable, and that is to turn our ruler sideways and our paper sideways, and then we can continue to just pull when we need to. And we're just going to wiggle our ruler around, find some places to add some squares and some rectangles, because we saw that's what Mondrian used in his artwork. So I'm lifting my pencil and dropping it, and I'm drawing some squares and some rectangles. You can see I have a couple of squares, a big one and a little one. I have some rectangles, a big one here and some smaller ones. Once we get our drawing done, we are going to trace over those pencil lines with a crayon, and you can use any color you want. Mondrian, he used black. You can use black, red, or yellow, or blue. So any of those three primary colors. And we will go over each line like 2 or 3 times, because we really want to get that wax from the crayon built into the paper so that we get that wax resist, that wall that's going to prevent our colors from mixing when we get to painting. Mondrian used paint to do this. We use crayon because we are still learning. And it gives us a nice border to wall in our colors. Okay, so far we have learned how to use a ruler by spreading our fingers, pushing down, taking our pencil along the edge, and turning our paper in order to get more lines going vertically and horizontally.